Hey friends, I want to let you in on a little conversation I had with the Lord the other day. I was praying about some different adventures that I had coming up, different ministry and business things, and just some different things I've been praying about for our family. And it was like the Holy Spirit was just speaking to me about in this season right now to really make sure that you are navigating correctly going into this next season. You just need a little extra focus. And when I heard that, just extra focus, man, it went off in my spirit. And so I just started just thinking about different things, writing some different things, journaling things about this. And I want to just talk to you about this. Right now, why don't you just spend a little extra time, just have a little extra focus. And if your walk with God isn't where you want it to be, it's not God's fault, okay? Just have a little extra focus right now. It's really simple. Just read a little bit more. Just spend a little bit more time in prayer. Go on a fast. It may not be something long. It may be just like, hey, God, I just want to reconnect with you at a greater level. So I'm going to fast lunch every Wednesday for the next 90 days. And just spend that extra time with Him. If you get up early in the morning and pray, get up a little bit earlier. If you haven't been, praying at night, like you should just spend a little extra time. Just extra focus right now. If your business is doing okay, but you want it to, be a little bit better, just have a little bit extra focus right now. If your marriage is not where it needs to be, just have a little bit extra focus. I know that my wife and I have 3 amazing kids, and what we try to do is have family time all together, but also every day both of us try to spend a little bit of one-on-one time with every single child. And if I ever see one of my children kind of, struggling in an area or needing a little extra attention, that's what I do. I focus on them just a little bit more. I have one kid who absolutely loves volleyball. Being like, hey, let's go outside and let me set you. And so I go out there and set him. We'll be, talking a little bit throughout that time. Or I may say one of them, hey, let's go grab something to eat, just you and me. Or my son, he loves this one ice cream place. I say, hey, man, let's go get some ice cream. And just spend that extra time with them, that extra focus. If I see somebody in our church, kind of struggling, I'll say, hey, let's go grab a cup of coffee. Let's just spend some time together. Or if somebody in our apostolic family, I can see that they're struggling, or I see a post on social media that can kind of show me that they're kind of struggling, I'll just call them and say, hey, what's up? Let's talk a little bit longer than usual. And it's that extra focus in life. And when you focus on something, whatever you're focusing on is going to grow. That's why I tell people don't focus on your fear. Don't focus on your insecurity, because the more that you focus on a fear or an insecurity, the more that it grows. But the more that you focus on being positive, it grows. My 7-year-old son is an absolute joy to be around. He's always saying, Dad, I have the power of positive thinking. He said, I'm always, doing Philippians 4:8. I think upon the things that are good, that are noble, that are just, that are praiseworthy, and things just always turn out good. And he's always focusing on the positive of things. And so I want to encourage you today. You might just need a little extra focus in this season. A lot of times from season to season and times in life, we lose focus on some things. And I'll tell you when you lose focus the most. There's 2 times: when things are going really good or things are going really bad. A lot of times you just lose focus. So focus in on the things that God has called you to. Mainly focus in on the Lord and watch how things start to change for you.